Andrea ng Crocs for today. Ayan o. Natanggi ka ba? Say no.
Kahit ilan.
Challenge to.
Huwag mo kabayad eh.
Dapat titingin ka doon. Tingin ka
Siyempre ako. Ako naman nakabayad.
What are you doing? Are you dancing? Oh, it's a beautiful girl. Also this girl.
Hello. Ayaw ko yung pangit ko. World record. Ano ko fourth world record? Oh my gosh.
Budol ko.
Good job. Yun, nabudol na naman tayo guys.
Thank you.
Budol.
Nice! Gamitin mo, gamitin mo. Kunin mo yun, kunin mo. Yun. Sarilin nyo. Yan, ayun ka, yung pink. Nice one, nice one. Galing mamaril ni Zaya. At ni Ate serious Oh, yung target mo nasa taas. Baba mo. Yun ka yung pink X. Sakay ka, Pao? Sit down. Sit down. Kunin mo, Pao. Sai, kunin mo yung mga ball ni Daddy, Sai. Sai, kunin mo. Ayun na, Sai. Sai, ayun na. Dali. Saira. Hindi ka tuloy naka-score. Bumuelo ka. Five. Round 2. Lakasan mo, B. Go, B. Uy, malapit na sa high score. Sayang. 5-8-6-6 yung high score eh. Pacquiao, oy, tama na! Tama na sa island na yan. 6K, 6K. Gawin dito lang. Round 2. Pinakamalakas. Wala, mas malakas yung kanina. 5-6, sayang oh. Pacquiao, Pacquiao.
Olap, olap.
Hold up, hold up. What you gonna say?
Olap, olap, right?
Masarap ba yan?
Inom po pati itam na.
Alright, what you gonna say, Ate Pao?
Hi guys. Drink ako ng boba tea, pero dapat wala pearls.
Alright. How about you, little boy?
Same mama.
He's drinking. He's drinking.
She's drinking. She cannot talk. How about you, Daddy?
Nothing. Nothing for daddy.
Why?
It's okay. It's fine. Alright.